First question. On slide 2, so I'm going to click slide 2. Set the line spacing for the bulleted list to 1.5 spacing. So you must highlight this and go up here to your Home tab and do 1.5. Click Next. You get the point. On slide 3, you're going to copy and paste it. What's my shortcut? Right click, copy, or Control C. Then I'm going to go right below to 7, because it says paste it immediately after slide 7. And I'm going to hit Control V, as in Victor. And you get the point. Now, on slide 1, they want us to set the border weight of the approved text box to 3 points. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to choose shape outline. And I'm going to go to the weight. And what do I need to select? 3. You guys know how to do this. The majority of this test, when you go and take it, is deciphering what they're saying here and not glossing over it and making a mistake. I don't know if it was this class or the other one. I didn't select all slides before I had changed the transitions, okay? And they wanted all the slides changed. And I only changed one slide, and so therefore it didn't give me the point. So you got to be careful in reading it. Number 4, on slide 4, they want you to add arrow bullets to these bulleted items. So we're changing the bullets from regular bullets on the Home tab to the arrow bullets. And it says accept all other defaults, so I don't have to do anything else. Next. On question 5, it's acting up. Let's go back. On question 5, it says go to slide 1 and select the word company meeting. And it says add a text shadow. Well, it's right here on the Home tab. Here's my shadow, text shadow. They also say I'm not done. Center the text in the placeholder. This box is the placeholder. If I'm going to center it, I can go up here to the Home tab in the paragraph group. Or I can hit Control E for elephant. There's 2 ways. When we're talking about a timed test, your shortcuts will help you. Question 6 on slide 5. They want us to do something to the SmartArt background fill. They don't want us to change the color. They just want us to change the transparency. So I'm going to select my SmartArt. Again, don't make the mistake and only select one part of the SmartArt. We want the whole part. The whole SmartArt thing selected, or you're not going to get the point, okay? I'm going to go to Format. It's right up there. I'm going to go to, no, that's not it. That's preset, text effects. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to right-click it. Format Object. And then this automatically pops up for the fill where I changed my transparency. And what am I changing it to? 50. And you must close the window. So what if we were on this Format tab, we could have gone to the Shape Fill here and gone in there for fill, and it would have popped up our transparency also. Okay? Number 7, on slide 6, they want us to do something. Let me go back. They want us to change the contrast to positive 20% on the clip art on slide 6. Again, choose the right slide, make sure you select the correct clip art if there's more than one. And we're going to go to our Format tab, and under Corrections, we're going to find our contrast. Now this is brightness and contrast. So we don't want any brightness change. So that's going to be the center column. Do you see that? Because the brightness shows 0% on this whole center column, okay? But this one has negative 20%. So we want positive 20%. So I'm thinking it's probably down here. That's 0, 0. And then this one is the contrast 20%. Contrast 20%. Now I might not give you the same one. I might say negative 20%, but you know where to find it. It's under the Format tab with corrections. Number 8. On slide 6, you're going to rotate the contents of row 1 to 270 degrees. Now this is important because if you have the slanted arrow like this, it's not going to highlight the whole top row. Do you see that? You got to have the arrow exactly like this, parallel to the words, so that it will highlight the whole row. Once you do that, you're going to go to your Home tab, which is already here, it's default, and you're going to select your text direction. It's in the paragraph group, along with our bullets, the spacing, the centering or left alignment or right alignment of your text. And we're going to go down to rotate all text by 270 degrees. Why? Because that's what it said right here. Question 9. On slide 5, so I'm first going to select slide 5. Change the layout of the SmartArt graphic. SmartArt graphic. Again, do we want just one of these items? No. We want the whole thing selected. And we're going to change the graphic to a table hierarchy. So I'm going to go to my SmartArt tools, to the Design tab, because they said to change it to the table hierarchy. Change what? Change the layouts. That's what I'm looking for, layouts. Where do you see it up here?
Right there.
Change layout, right? So we're going to go up to change layout. Do the drop down. Now there again, they don't label them until you hover your cursor over them. There's the table hierarchy. I might ask you to do this one and have the whole technical name there. But you know where to change the layout of your SmartArt. And the last and final question you'll see similar to on your test on Monday is slide 9, where you're going to apply the preset 10 shape effect to the Aim High word art. So I'm going to select my word art, and I'm going to select my on my Format tab, I'm going to do my shape effects. Why? What did it say? What does it say?
Present 10.
Shape effect. See how it deciphers for you and tells you where to go? Now it doesn't tell you format, but everybody knows once you click on this thing that you're supposed to change, usually your stuff is found under Format. 9 times out of 10 it's under Format. If not, it's the Home tab. Okay? So then we're going to select it, Shape Effects, and what they want? Preset. Now if they ask for shadow or reflection or glow or soft edges or bevel or 3D rotation, you know where to find it. There again, you've got to hover over it to find what it is. Preset 10. Now I might ask you to do preset 3, but you know where to find it. Now what I want you to do is get on Geometrics. Those of you who weren't here yesterday, Alex and Kane, you need